gonna plumb in a hydraulic filter adapter. No, I painted the arrow direction red, just with a marker, nothing special. And you gotta make sure that's right, because you got a blow-off valve or a check valve in here. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'd like to know the correct terms, of course. But we're on our way. Alright, we got a DIN to National Pipe Thread to, that might be DIN, I'm not sure. This is a DIN adapter to National Pipe Thread 3/4. Then we got the same on this side. But then we have the double female. That'll hook to your oil tank. Alright, she mocks up well. Didn't need any nipples for extensions or anything. Just the fittings. So we'll get her all tightened up. The only threads we'll be taping is this, 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 and this. Everything else has the coupling filter, or O-rings and seats and all that stuff. So only tape your pipe fittings, your NPTs, not your hydraulic fittings. The same with gas line, any of that stuff. Alright, we got our filter housing set up. Notice the arrows going to the coupling, the double female, and that goes to the tank. Alright, she mocks up well. Didn't need any nipples for extensions or anything, just the fittings. So we'll get her all tightened up.